Hello everyone, and this is just an announcement for you all for the game lab. Okay, so as गेम लैब बैच वन एंडेड है सो ट्यूसडे को हमेशा गेम लैब के क्लासेस होते थे तो हर वीक बट अब नहीं होने वाले बिकॉज द गेम लैब बैच वन इज एंडेड right now we are not going to start the game lab batch 2. Maybe we can start a new course related to game or anything else, but not right now. Okay, so till then, सो टिल और देन हर ट्यूसडे को जो आपको एक ट्यूटोरियल मिलने वाला है वो कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म से रिलेटेड हो सकता है, स्क्रैच से हो सकता है रिलेटेड, MIT आप इन्वेंटर, कॉड्यूलर, थंकेबल, फ्लैकी, कोई भी. ओके, or else it can be on any other game engine. Okay, so you'll just get the tutorial on every Tuesday. Okay, and very soon we'll just decide to start a new course for the Tuesday. Okay, so and one more announcement for you all regarding the app development. So as app development batch वन ended है तो आप लोग को final test देना होगा app development batch वन का for getting the certificate. Okay, तो अगर आप लोग को टेस्ट देना है then you need to join the Discord. Okay, you need to join the Discord. तो Discord का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. सो अगर आपने ज्वाइन किया then that's great, बट अगर आपने नहीं किया then आपको करना होगा. Okay, and also in the batch 2. Okay, तो batch 2 जो है वो so the mentor for the batch 2 of app development is going to be Priyal. And हम लोग जो है batch 1 app development का MIT app inventor में we have done. Okay, but now in the app development batch 2 we are going to just do the app development in the Cordular. Okay, in the Cordular it's just Cordular is a bit different, so I hope you all will just एंड सी कॉर्डिला का जो इसके ऐप डेवलपमेंट बैच 2 का जो और शेड्यूल है वो सैटरडेज को ही रहेगा जैसे कि ऐप डेवलपमेंट बैच 1 में था. एंड thanks for joining. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you're just having any doubt, then just feel free to ask in the comments or in the Discord. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn on the notification button, and don't forget to join the Discord. If you have joined, then that's great. But if you haven't, then you need to join it. Okay. So thanks for watching and bye bye everyone. Stay safe.